damn it, that person just canceled the product I just sold to him. What am I going to do? I'm so upset. I'm so angry. I just want to take this computer and throw it out the window. Actually, definitely don't want to do that. You want to stay calm no matter what. My name is Adam Shelton, and today's video we're going to talk about how to overcome a canceled sale or somebody who don't like your product, but you can continue growing your business as soon as humanly possible. You want to pay attention to this message because we're going to have some fun here today. So if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. My name is Adam Shelton, and today's content, we're going to talk about overcoming a canceled sale or a disappointing customer inside your business. Now, when you start an online business or any type of business, one of the couple of things that you're going to go through, it's going to be an up and down cycle. It is. So, and one of the things that may be, frightening in the beginning or surprising in the beginning is where when you sell your product or services and that person buys, but then that person cancels the next day. Let me tell you a story that happened to me before. I remember one time when I first started my online business that I literally sold a product to this particular customer. Now, it was a Monday afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I still remember the time and the date. So I was on the phone with this customer for hours, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on a Monday afternoon. So we spend hours between 4 and 7. I'm here walking through the steps. I'm here giving him all the information, giving him plenty of value, telling him what he needs to do, all this type of things. By 7:30 p.m. that night, he bought the product. Afterwards, I was so excited. I was happy. It was one of my first sales I ever done. I was jumping up and down. I played the music going and everything like that. So I was feeling really, really good. And I was so happy because, not because of the sale, but because it seemed like it solved his problem. It seemed like that was something he really wanted. He really, really wanted. So he was so happy, and I couldn't wait to hear feedback from him. Man, the next day, that guy called the next morning about 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on a Tuesday morning. He called back and canceled and said that he wasn't ready for it. He said he needed to talk to family more about it. He said, he just kind of overthought the process. He shouldn't have bought it. It was all these situations. I was getting ready to say excuses, but they kind of were because we talked for 3 hours on the phone, and he never mentioned any of that. And I gave him so much time, are you sure? And I was telling him things like, this can help you. He was saying, man, this is going to solve my problem. Next day, they got canceled, and so that was it. And I remember I went from high last night to low the next morning. So one thing I would tell you, never stay too high and never stay too low no matter what. You want to stay calm, even keel. You want to celebrate your small wins, but don't go overboard. Just celebrate your small wins, but then you want to come right back down where you're just like this. And so I was too high on a Monday night, and I was too low on a Tuesday. I was pissed off. I wanted to throw everything away. I was hitting the walls down. I was taking trash cans and kicking them over, and I think I knocked over a cat, But anyway, so it gave his money back. He refunded everything back. I was so disappointed. And one thing I learned about that's just part of business. It was one customer. So my solution and my answer to this is, my reasoning for this video, it's just one customer. Some customers will cancel. Some customers will complain. Some customers will write a bad review on you. But you know what? That's just one customer, right? There's thousands and thousands and thousands of more people that would love your product and services. There's thousands of other people that would love to hear what you have to say. There are thousands of other people that's dying to at least taste what you have. And that's how you got to think about it. When one door closes, another one opens up. And you know what? Exactly what happened. A couple of days later, I end up getting 2 more new customers that love the product. And I learned something there. So when that person did buy the product, I would celebrate the small wins, but I was kind of back down here. I was like, okay, very good. I thank you very much. I didn't over celebrate. I did the first time. I over celebrate. I was happy. I was throwing up and down. You know, I'm throwing stuff up in the air. But this time I was like, a couple of days later after I got those sales, I was like, okay, let me just get right back down here. But I was happy, but I wasn't over happy. So never stay too high. Don't be so low like I did, which it was a mistake because I was so excited and then I was like heartbreaking. And that missed sale, it controlled my entire day. So basically what I'm telling you, don't stay too high, don't stay too low. That's one. And two, if a customer cancel your product and services, it's just one person. Move on from that. Just think, when one door closes, another one will open up. And I'm just trying to say, because I still remember when I canceled the sale. Wow, man, that was still, wow. But I overcome that. But especially if one door opens up, I do have a door open opportunity for you. Right below this video, I want you to click on that video, right? It's an online business opportunity because I know you're dying to start your online business. And you will not cancel this because you will not be sorry when you go ahead and join with me today. That ain't something that, you know, I don't think you're going to cancel. But if you do, I definitely do understand. But I don't think you're going to, because this is an unbelievable opportunity with training, with basically step-by-step processing, you know, start making residual income from home, everything like that, and you'll be on your way of firing that boss one day. So this is Adam Shelton signing out. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel right below this video. Click on that link. We're going to have some fun today. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, it's just one canceled customer. Go ahead and move on. I'll see you in the next video.